In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use your smartphone to learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So for this, you need a smartphone with internet connection. So just make sure that your internet is enabled, and you can go to your browser, and you'll have to go to this URL, freecodecamp.org. So go to this URL and you'll see the home page for this platform, which is welcome to freecodecamp.org. Learn to code at home, build projects, earn certifications. So this is a non-profit organization called FreeCodeCamp, which helps you learn programming for free. Programming, coding, developing, these are all the same word, different words for the same thing. So they'll help you learn programming just on your smartphone. You can also do this on your computer, but because we don't have it right now, we are using our smartphone. And you can see that they offer certifications also for these courses. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to click on Get Started, and it will ask us to log in. So we can continue with Google or other options there are. So we're going to use Google to log in. So once you log in, you're going to see the list of courses that we saw on the home page. So these are all the access to all the courses that we can use to learn those things. So I'm going to click on this. I'm going to click on Basic HTML and HTML5. So we're going to start with HTML. I'll quickly show you a demonstration of how to complete these challenges. These are all challenges to learn HTML. So once you complete each challenge, you'll get to learn something from it. So I'm going to show you how to do one of these challenges. So this is basically the introduction for this HTML and HTML5 module. You can read this and get to understand what they're trying to tell you. It's very important that you read through this even if you don't understand things, so that you have some idea as to what they're talking about. So once you read through all this, and you understand to a certain amount what they're talking about, you don't have to understand every little word, but just get a brief understanding of what they're saying. And then you can click on to go to the first lesson. And here, this is the challenge, basically. This is the first challenge. And you can see here at the top, we have different tabs. It says info, code, tests, and then preview. Okay. So I'll tell you what each of these does. So first, in the info tab, we have some information about what's expected in this challenge. Okay. So they're trying to explain something about H1 tags. So you can see here, opening tag of the H1 looks like this, closing tag looks like this. And again, you don't have to know what opening tag is, closing tag is. These are all things that you will learn as you proceed with the exercises. If you read through these, the instructions that were before this, you will understand some of these information. For right now, you don't have to worry about everything. Once this video is complete, you can go to the FreeCodeCamp and spend some time learning this. For now, I'm just showing you briefly how to complete these challenges. So at the very bottom of this info section, you'll see that your H1 element should have the text, hello world. So this is basically the prompt for the challenge. They're telling you what to do with this challenge. So if you see here again at the very top, you saw these 4 tabs, info and code. So at the bottom, you're saying your H1 element should have the text hello world. So now if you go to the code section, you can see this is what we have for the code. It says the challenge said that it has to say hello world, but right now we only have hello. So what we're going to do is we're going to add hello world here. And yes, so there is a problem with what we are doing right now. If you can see, I added a space, but it didn't register here, and it's not letting me delete things as well. Okay, so we need to do a small trick for this. So what you have to do is go to the Play Store and then download Coding Keyboard. So you have to download this app. So once you download this app, you have to activate this. So once you've selected this as the primary keyboard, you can go back to our browser and go to code again. So now you can see that we have this kind of a keyboard which is designed for coding. So this is the keyboard that will actually work on this page. So now we can actually add spaces and delete things as well. So this is a trick that we have to follow to get this to work. Okay, so as instructed in the challenge, we've added the text hello world in the h1 tag. Now these other two tabs, this is a test tab. So whatever, if you run a test in the code, it'll show the output here, and the preview tab will show what it looks like. The final output for the HTML will look like. So we added hello world in the text, and then it's showing hello world. Now when we realize that we've done it, we can click on run, and it'll show you this green check mark, this check mark, which indicates that you completed that challenge. And then you can go submit and then go to the next challenge. And this is the next challenge. So you can read through this again and try to understand what it's asking you to do. And again, the challenges are listed in here, the bottom. You should create a h2 element. Your h2 element should have a closing tag. Your h2 element should have the text cat photo app, and your h1 element should have hello world. So let's go to the code again. So we'll add a h2 tag as instructed, and we'll say cat photo app, and then we'll do a preview. Okay, and then click on run. Okay, again, we've completed the challenge. Like this, you can go to the next challenge and keep repeating this. As you do more and more of these challenges, you'll get to have a better mastery over whatever you're learning. So right now we're doing HTML, so we're learning HTML like this. So this Freecodecamp lets you not only understand the theory aspect. Of course, you have to read what they're saying in the info section to understand what's going on and understand the theory. But it also lets you apply things by completing the challenges. So you can test your knowledge then and there. Okay, so this is how you use Freecodecamp. Please get back to me in case you have questions or doubts, and I'll be very happy to help you. Thanks.